Master the art of baking with our irresistible cinnamon coffee cake recipe. Hello food lovers, welcome back to our channel. Are you ready to awaken your senses with the sweet aroma of cinnamon and coffee? If yes, then you're in the right place. Today we're diving into the world of decadent desserts, combining the comforting flavors of cinnamon and coffee to create an irresistible cinnamon coffee cake that is just perfect for your brunch, coffee breaks, or any time you want a sweet treat. We've got all our ingredients here, ready to transform into a mouthwatering masterpiece. Let's get started and I'll walk you through every step of the way. But before we begin, if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss any of our recipe videos. Alright, aprons on, let's dive in. Ingredients. For the cake batter: 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 cup granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1 cup buttermilk, 1/3 cup vegetable oil, 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. For the cinnamon swirl: 1/2 cup brown sugar, packed, 2 tablespoons ground cinnamon. For the streusel topping: 1/2 cup all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup granulated sugar, 1/4 cup unsalted butter, cold and cut into small cubes, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon. Instructions. Do you want something that truly stands out and captures the essence of the spooky season? Well, look no further. Introducing the Halloween coffee cup, will send shivers down your spine and leave you craving for more. Prepare to be enchanted by the captivating gothic girl who effortlessly blends magic, mystery, and coffee into a spine-tingling experience. Watch as the girl, with her striking red eyes, sips her favorite hot beverage, transporting you to a realm where darkness meets beauty. Feel the goosebumps rise on your skin as you witness the enchanting contrast between her dark attire and the vibrant nature surrounding her. Experience the perfect blend of happiness and Halloween vibes, as you join our gothic girl on a journey through the eerie ambiance of the season. Let the lush green grass and the mysterious atmosphere cast their spell on you, leaving you mesmerized and craving for more. Link in description: https://tinyurl.com/HalloweenCup2023. Oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. Grease and flour a 9-inch round cake pan or a 9 by 9-inch square baking pan. In a medium mixing bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt for the cake batter. In a separate bowl, whisk together the buttermilk, vegetable oil, eggs, and vanilla extract until well combined. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and stir until just combined. Do not overmix, some lumps are okay. In a small bowl, mix together the brown sugar and ground cinnamon for the cinnamon swirl. Pour half of the cake batter into the prepared pan. Sprinkle the cinnamon swirl mixture evenly over the batter. Add the remaining cake batter on top of the cinnamon swirl layer, spreading it out to cover the swirl. In a separate bowl, prepare the streusel topping by mixing the flour, granulated sugar, and ground cinnamon. Add the cold cubed butter and work it into the dry ingredients using your fingers or a fork until crumbly. Sprinkle the streusel topping evenly over the cake batter. Bake the coffee cake in the preheated oven for about 35–40 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once baked, remove the coffee cake from the oven and let it cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. If desired, you can drizzle a simple glaze on top of the coffee cake. To make the glaze, mix together 1 cup of powdered sugar with 2 tablespoons of milk and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract until smooth. Slice and serve the cinnamon coffee cake warm or at room temperature. Enjoy with a cup of coffee or tea. And there we have it, the most irresistible cinnamon coffee cake. Just look at that crumb, smell the aroma, it's just heavenly. This is incredible. The cake is moist, the cinnamon and coffee blend so well, creating this warm, inviting flavor just perfect. And that crunchy streusel topping adds the perfect texture contrast. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you decide to give this recipe a try, please let us know in the comments below how it turned out. We love hearing from you. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed our recipe and subscribe to our channel for more delicious treats. Ring the bell so you never miss a new. Remember, we are what we eat, so let's choose to be sweet. Until next time, keep baking and keep enjoying every bite. Free ebook: Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee, the adult alcohol, worth $5.99. Link to description: https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.